subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of last year launched OnePlus Nord smartphone as OnePlus Nord 2. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specifications has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hammerstoffer in partner with 91 Mobiles. According to leaks, the OnePlus Nord 2 will support a flat 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that will house an 32-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The triple rear cameras will include one 50-megapixel primary camera along with the 8-megapixel secondary plus 2-megapixel third camera. The volume rockers are visible on the left edge, while on the right appears to have power button along with the alert slider, and at the bottom it has a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM card slot and a Type-C charging port. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord 2 is reported to come powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. The device will pack with 4500 mAh battery that will support fast charging, and it will run on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and the phone is set to measure at 160 by 73.8 by 8.1mm. Apart from this, there is no other details of OnePlus Nord 2 has leaked so far, and the phone is expected to launch anytime soon by July this year. So as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus Nord 2 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.